It's been a cool day across the valley. It's been a cloudy day. It's a real thin veil of low clouds over us right now, but enough that we didn't see any sunshine today at all. And they're going to thicken up tonight, and as they do, it's likely we'll start to see some light rain and drizzle coming from those clouds. Watch Future Track, and it just gets grayer and grayer. Then you get some green splotches showing up, and it's all light stuff. There's no yellow, no orange, no red in there. It's just the misty wintertime drizzle that we tend to see this time of year from time to time. Probably going to see that late tonight, during the daytime tomorrow, even into tomorrow night. We may see a little light rain and drizzle. Then we get to Wednesday, and while we start with clouds by afternoon, at least a little bit of sunshine. That'll warm temperatures back up a little bit, and then we'll continue to warm up the rest of the week. But count on a lot of clouds and drizzle between now and Wednesday. A little sunshine back on Thursday as well. About a 40% chance of that light stuff tomorrow. We drop off to 20% on Wednesday. It's mostly early in the day. And then Thursday should be mainly dry, if not completely dry across the area. And Friday during the day should be dry as well. So a couple of days that we don't see much at all on the radar, I don't think. These are the current temperatures, still warmer in the west than in the east. 57 in Rio Grande City, 56 around Hidalgo County, 51 up and down the I-69E corridor. And then at the coast, 48 in Port Isabel. It's 47 on the island right now. The wind a little stronger out there. You know, we're showing lows tonight. We say it's 47 and a low of 52. That means readings are going to go up overnight rather than down anymore in a lot of places. We've already bottomed out for the most part across the region. So yeah, around 50 or so. And then tomorrow's highs, even without sunshine, even under the gray skies, we're going to try to get back into the low 60s. Some of the models are saying a lot warmer, but if you've got overcast skies with light rain and drizzle falling, it's really hard to warm up much. So I think we'll end up in the 60s tomorrow. The normal is 73. We're going 62 tomorrow. By Wednesday, a little sunshine. We're back to 78, and Thursday up to 84. Look at the records, up in the low 90s. We haven't been in the 90s in a while. You can tell by looking at this map where the push of cold air was this time, or where it still is, right down through the middle part of the country, right down through the Mississippi Valley, maybe right down through the east side of Texas, because it's definitely colder in East Texas than in West Texas, and we kind of got sideswiped. We did cool off, but not nearly as cold as a lot of Texas was this time around, and we'll be the first to warm up once again. Front down to the south, it stops, moves back to the north eventually as a warm front, and by Wednesday, temperatures begin to warm up. The drizzle goes away, and we'll warm until the next front gets here. Right now, the model's hinting that this front up north probably get here Friday night or Saturday, but I say probably because they're only hinting at that. There's some indication it may not get here at all, and we'd stay warm. At the coast, here's what's going on. Moderate risk of rip currents. The bay temperature 60, the surface 61. Seas running about 2 to 4 feet. So tonight we bottom out at 51. Cloudy skies with light rain and drizzle. 51 means temperatures just don't go much of anywhere. Then tomorrow back up to 63. Cloudy, chilly, spotty light rain and drizzle. So we warm up a little bit. It's a little damp. Northeasterly winds at about 6 to 12. Here you go. The next 3 days, 63, 78, 84. Friday, 79. This high on Saturday. Very much subject to change. I think there's a good chance we're going to bring that up because it looks like this front Friday night may not be quite as strong as what the models were saying initially. And if that's the case, we'll warm it up. In fact, the European model says the front never even comes through. If that's the case, we may warm it up into the upper 70s again. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.